Welcome back to the last night of league. This isn't about me. This is about Lance's quest.
Got a new fit, man. Fits like a glove, so relax. New man right now.
For greatness.
For greatness.
So,
I love league. He hates league.
that's the I love league shirt.
Oh,
He's sloppy, I got the love for the game, and we're gonna get started here, but I drilled Lance a couple of new balls, and I re-drilled his phase 4.
that's not what's supposed to happen.
This lane hooks more than that one. I would use this ball in this lane and that ball in that one.
But a lot of work.
A lot of work. It's feeling a little warm in here. It might be because these pants are so nice and fluffy. All right, maybe it's not as much as it seems.
It's right there.
Not right now. That's pretty impressive. You can go back and forth like that. Are you trying like extra hard to hang on to it?
No. My thumb's getting a workout. I was like,
It's a blind ball, good. How many episodes are gonna come out before the actual ball review? I don't know.
oh gosh.
That's gotta lay like a bug. This lane is snug. Oh, awful. See, they don't all strike. They don't all strike. Sometimes you hear me do that stuff and it strikes anyways, looks perfect. Well, it doesn't happen all the time. I want to tell you guys about Temu. You get up to 90% savings, site-wide, free shipping, free returns.
Oh God, come on.
It's okay.
First game.
The ball was just a little dirty. Here's a microfiber towel that we got from Temu.
All right.
Wipe it up, baby.
This is nice.
Hey!
This is nice, high quality. They took the dirt right off my honey badger.
I'm about to go somewhere real cold next week, so we got some fleece-lined pants as well from Temu. I'm going to Korea. In the wintertime, it gets really cold there. It's probably going to be snowing. Probably going to be in the 20s. I can keep my fingers warm on the way. I can keep them warm while I'm warming up. This is fantastic. You know what? I'm just going to wear them on the next shot. We'll see how it feels. Help. Catch. The bad one, strike 2. The power of the finger booties. Looks like I'm wearing them for the rest of my life. So the types of products you can get from Temu are endless. You know, anywhere from these little finger booties to some hydration devices, a water bottle to, you know, if you just have a love of the game, got some bowling trinkets here. Temu's great. Blew my mind when I was surfing the website for the first time. I couldn't believe how cheap some of the stuff was. So the link is in the description below, and don't forget to use the code for some extra savings. Download Temu to never miss a spare ever again. Oh, help.
Don't let me beat you now. Oh, no.
We're 2 frames in. Well, if Lance is gonna beat me, he's gonna have to throw the front 11. And if he does that, he might as well shoot 300. Oh, this lane's catching up a little. Oh my God. What was that? Oh, Lance means business.
Thanks, man.
Business. Wheel.
That pin action, buddy. Oh, sloppier the better. Ooh. Give me some of that.
That's got to wheel a little. Uh-oh.
Get out of here, boy. Your eyes don't do nothing. Eyes don't do nothing. Got the honey badger. honey.
Oh my God. Unbelievable. Lance, I need you. You remember when you beat Mikey 3 times? It's time to pay up. We gotta sign some balls. These are gonna be for our winners from the Mikey sub video.
Sharp easy.
Like that?
Oh, I like that. I'm gonna start right here.
You wanna do like a 1 of 3, and then a 2 of 3, and then a 3 of 3? It's gonna be surprised which one of you 3 gets whatever bowling ball, so.
That's for you.
Can't imagine how big my eyes got on that
Like
one.
a professional TV show right now.
You can't shut me out.
Ooh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Gotta give him a dollar.
You guys remember this ball? The end of an era.
Yo, I gotta say, that fit feels nice though.
Number 2, number 3.
Ooh.
Oh no, it might be time for a ball change. I don't remember what happened in the night, but yeah, the last 2 were pretty close. Just an arrow different downwind. So you know it's the right ball. I will use the skills I have developed over the years to combat the lane changing. I can't believe how close it is.
I know.
Totals.
Oh.
Double or nothing?
Yeah, why not? Oh, you said you want to run it back.
Oh my God, that was
Run this in your back.
unbelievably left. And strike anyways. Oh, it didn't.
Thought I had that.
Danny, you want to sign these balls? A lot. Wow, couldn't be me thinking about my approach while I'm throwing the shot again.
Oh gosh. Ah.
Uh-oh. Help him!
Don't talk to me. These towels are nice though.
You like that?
Yeah, the bubbly, the bumps and stuff like that. It took the dirt right off my honey badger. I want to drop a bomb in nuclear cell, but the phase is just so good.
It is. Oh! Oh, dear Lord! What a shot! Oh! Like a rug.
Man, you should open up a pro shop.
You're down early. If we opened a pro shop, would you guys come visit us? Oh, wow.
Roll straight at it.
That was impressive. $1 per strike. You're talking about Lance, right?
All of it.
You just gotta touch it.
Just by angel.
Play like a rug.
Damn, his hand is really good now. You know, you're not injured no more.
Oh, we're getting close.
No.
It's almost game time, baby.
You're almost 95% right
It's
now.
almost, I'd say it's probably 95. I haven't felt what I've been feeling lately in
You're happy about it.
a good while.
I haven't felt this way ever.
Oh, I like the move. That's a good move.
That Nicholas Tell, dude.
Great move, great
Thanks,
move.
Mikey.
Great move.
Thanks, Mike. I thank you for that ball. Ooh.
Just loosen it up, man. Let the ball roll right off the fingers, and then all your dreams will come true. Oh no.
door open for me not to walk in.
The only door I left open was 800.
You left the door open just to let it breeze in.
I still haven't bowled 800 in this league yet.
Ooh, a little close on that one.
Laying off perfect. Ah, why couldn't the wrap 10 wait till the 11th shot? 279 gets us there. Ooh. We're almost ready, guys. We're almost there. It's almost time. PBA Tour, we're coming. That's not great. Wow. Ah. If I was firing on all cylinders, that's 840. Every other night, that 4 minutes. Tonight, they're falling.
That shouldn't count.
Breezing in the right spot. Oh, get there, get there, get there. I have to wait until next season to see his last ball 300. Alrighty.
That's okay. Consistent today.
Puppy. Same. I'm within 12 pins for all 3 of my games.
Thanks for rubbing in the good news.
I gotta rub it in. Gotta keep rubbing it. Uh-oh. I don't even know why. For as much as I'm striking today, these guys are still like on our tails.
I feel like I'm hitting the pocket every time.
I'll give you a little secret. The nuclear shell is going to be that kind of more controlled because it's got that pin down layout. It's going to be a little more controlled. Easier to hit the pocket, face forward. It's going to give you a little more pop.
Well,
when it's good, it's going to be really good. But when it's not good, a little more danger. When that one's not as good, you might still hit the pocket. Maybe something you can pick up.
But I don't know. I feel like my strikes are really good, but it's just like pins everywhere.
I like how you just stand wherever you want. You can pick up 10 pins.
You're supposed to be showing me how it's done, dude.
How much more do you want me to strike? I've missed twice a game.
I want to see perfect strikes every single time.
Ooh, we got that stank face.
Smooth, man. You gotta get lucky with the 300.
That is true.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Hook. Yeah. Yeah.
Darren. Darren. Oh, he's getting a 300 today.
Off the hand, really good. Off the feet, very bad.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Got third. That's the darn Tang I know. Oh, gosh. Oh, Brooklyn strike. Try to keep your lane open. He's like zoned in right now. Strike again. You gotta get lucky. You gotta get lucky. Oh, gosh. Damn it.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was good. I got it to the hook. Well, I thought there was hook there, and then It didn't hook.
I'm not mad, I'm just a little disappointed.
I'm a little disappointed too, because I at least thought I was gonna miss on a bad one tonight. And that one wasn't that bad.
I would go in Brooklyn just for you, man.
I thought after the one in the 8th frame it was automatic, because I threw that one so bad. But wasn't meant to be tonight, but still an enormous night.
Hey, unlike you, we're not gonna lose by 1 pin, but if somebody's about to shoot a 300.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I've been having this debate about choking. It's like, if you get the strike, is it a choke? Like, if you throw a bad shot and it strikes, did you choke? And the same thing, if you throw a good shot and it doesn't strike, did you choke? There we go. Oh, get this though. If I throw this one, that's 800 on the back. Well, end on a high note, I guess. Appreciate you guys coming every week. I love meeting you guys. Are
You're a hometown hero.
literally #1 league fans right here.
Behind the scenes.
You guys can't contest. I mean, I don't know how much they've been on camera. Probably not at all, but they've been here every week.
Motivating, yeah. I appreciate it,
I
man.
appreciate them.
Yeah.
They don't know this is happening, but we're gonna give them a couple of the signed balls we're giving away.
Oh my
Show
goodness.
our appreciation for their and this is really what I love about the game is, you know, we come out and do our thing and people are inspired and
I'm gonna miss this guy.
they come out and support.
#1 fans.
We got one for you right here.
Get out of here.
Now you get out of here.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
Oh my God.
That's the least we can do. I mean, we're doing this 100-ball giveaway thing, so
Holy shit.
yeah, I mean,
Thank you.
no better people to go to.
I'm gonna see if I can do 2 tricks.
There you go.
Hey.
I mean, you're helping us do what we do, so.
Thank you.
Oh my God, you guys are
I love that ball right
You
there.
guys are awesome.
I love
Thank you.
Twitch.
that was the first ball
it.
that I got from Darren.
Yeah.
And that was my last ball that I've ever bought.
Really?
Yeah.
What a
That's when I went from 16 and then
The
now
last
I'm
ball I
going
ever
full
bought,
15
like,
now.
I'm never
That's
gonna buy a
16.
ball ever again.
And that's my first 15 pounds. That's history right there.
This is awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I appreciate it, man.
Oh my God.
See you guys.
Thank you.
Oh man, you're gonna sell, dude. I miss you, man. Not the last time I'm gonna see you there.
We'll see you on the lanes
I'll see you in PBA League.
in 6 months. Balls number 83 and 84.
83 to 84.